Yo, me mama kwa baba obi for GTV. And so yeah, a dafo for I say share. And I did in our prophet in Yankaya na say share na topic na and yeah, I boss on the more than yeah, the business will say kakra because in the be prophet Zim Mifano prophet Honorable Kennedy Akompreko Ejapo. And when someone the better to social media, or the better for social media, ne too near you, managing papa. But papa, the room our trans me akaka, and they say, what's your being kawa? No. Sendipane yene nye papa nkwa dia attacking because ye tawachi na mebo for no tawachi because was say biana bana ba mienu eduano se de sitie ntimisira o hama homai na ye hontoye na ye bre akwankyere me se 2020 ya we ya soda pa no be man ne agene ano nyinum nyina ekuru ntimisira papa afutu akakra ya so o bucket wa yeso de man se tawachi chuku se ofa baabi ana hu se baabi nkoyi ana se odifo bi ya de ne ye ya hwa na se totwene na ye hontoye na me shira ba omo ho ban enyum free bibia afidi sun bi obi asoso ma fa ho bia enyum free yo me mama kwa papa obi for GTV se da no ye di asem ne na ye prophet nyankaja na ehia na topic of today ni ye be twa ne mienu who is a good wife and who is a good husband. Ya de nimi yenu bebom ni ya wasa wasem na yehu ya sede ye wase ye no fi as bema ya sede ye wase ye no fi asoba because bebire ne ya ye nimi ya sede obema bitimi kase and between me bema na obesi ne na nkonko hatama no esa oba anda fa se bitimi fo no enne ye betirichi ma me hu se so obey bibi na bema abo na doesn't mean so ye jimi fo enne so be me hu se oba o so nya hambrase na bema do mama prophet nyankadi akwa baba obi for GTV
yo minia mejo so na me fa kwanya so chia wati fu na
prophet no topic ne ye bon ha because last time the nanka ye hitting on mema ne de na HSB ba so but na de hitting ni mienu nyina bo nti ye started from the mema ne de a man that be a bomb at ya no me say ye hitting man continue from free mema why ne bema na bema said you wa ni kwai ni say
yo minia na se oja for obi biara wo hwe sabre ye OB4GH TV bese sa djumedia ye di enam so se say crofo frefre me no ya na me dire ngura me ntiase
se platform na so
platform kesia Ghana ha de nim
aso
utie pa crofo fremi fra butie crofo fremi amom won problems bebre mama ka se me ntio se wo hwe bia subscribe ma obi OB4GH Pacho TV na baby biara wo bia no wa mane bia wonamu o ha bia wonamu edwade na no so ba ma won to anya solution a won konko dance of bia odi adwomo beda ne wa no nte oil na won so na fa ho die edwade nsha wa wo hwe me e wo Yesu Kristo dem minia ubuza se mo ya e deserve ya kan who is responsible man Barima or deserve say friend say papa ana miwa oyo obi na ni komi fie ho o hwe fie ye odwene ne ma ho odwene ne yire ho onfa ne life nyina go nkokebo onfa ne life nyina go tra phone so e go chache onfa ne life nyina me wiase odwene ne fie oye ne fie ono ani barima a very responsible man
nti bema ya said ye say
bema said ye say wo waware no wona oyire dwini bom wona oyire transi esusumu daache mo plane emani gifie bema oya responsible man onko trabo ntini ne mpranfo ene ayangofo onko trabo ntini ko diskegu na ne yire ne ma gifie abekom de wo
se bia ja wanya club ba ko bi na ngodi ko twene no
na club ba ko ye wo faria ewofa anayo na fiaba bo shi mebusa onsie mfa sade ma de waseye as a Bible account. Young ones again, Emma de was say, and I are over. Tell you, Mammy can't me, responsible man be any couldn't be you. This Bible see Genesis chapter 1, 2 verse 1. Was say, young more ni pass and such a you answer. Everybody be man to more. Oh, yeah, was it there be? Bẹ́ẹ̀mẹ̀ yẹn to be yanu. Tí ẹsẹ̀ mi yẹ mi hwẹ́ na mi yẹ obi bá mu. Tí o yí bẹ́ẹ̀ma nfẹ̀ mpadeɛ ɛde bɔ ɔbaa. Èyí sɛ bẹ́ẹ̀ma bi yɛ ɔpapa na ɔdwene sɛ ne wi di yɛ no ɛwɔ baabi a ɔdan bi yɛ ne kum ɔbɔ ho ban. Ɔyɛ ho adwuma yie, ɔdantan nneɛma yie, ɔtoto nneɛma kama. Na deɛ efiri a wɔde ne mu aba no nso na ne kum wɔn ho. Bẹ́ẹ̀ma bẹ́ẹ̀ sɔre bẹ́ẹ̀ 2 weeks to ani ohun ne ba da. Onya sensible person. Tieni yo.
Tebi awa control me.
Oh, there be a control munko. Obi owa control no. Ye fani nka de oya owa ha. Ye ka ono wa. Ana de owa control bia na ye woni change bia o time di man ba. Because of say nyane ma can grow we go go trem. Tieni ye ba. Anya ne mari ne da chia. Can grow wa esi e ba. Utimi somu. Ko go trem. Ujeni ye ba. A responsible man be ano or Jenima, Jenny Yenima, Jenny Fee, on Tunisica, Basa, Ujemiba. And to every successful man, there is a woman. To Oba Papa, any Bama Papano, Ombush, your daddy as you, or being to Montemasem, Ujeni, almost was with you. Nayana Mia, there be a maker, the entire running of my friend me and Gajan, or not more than him. Because I mean, who said that be a stranded not in a Melibas Massa? The man who can never change it. Me a responsible man because of some inquiry and running prayers to the world park. Running so the chief from the tier, or the million park. What I say, and the nipple beer, you won't figure you be Bibiano, or do the Sardiano, with a yo. But you would have a to be Tiamia. Now you're responsible man. I dare you first, and your family.
First.
I didn't carry on life. Your family
said, "Dear, why already done Kadianka, Oko, a dear mobile phone." I said, "Be family hates be a woman of responsibility and anything." So I got a phone and I said, because I said, this modern system now, but I said, Nipa value gadget crossing Nipa.
Mamma can't some job. Yes, Christos can send me. Was singing the other dozen to be done. Enti na obi de ne kra na dwene ne nipa bia e follow wiase ni mu niema a woni nyansa ade na me kansa e wiase ni mu niema ni na betwam enti se na obi wu a e kem enti wo ko to phone e bia 100 million na beto na o ma e kom de o ma woni nyansa e kan fo ataxe wo ko to e bia ka VAT 6 billion o ma school fees went to India, wouldn't you answer? Dear Yeba, O Kotas, so much in your mamma. Not so much school time at Basel, so go school. No one just come back. We named the ideas and the young and young, eh, Jimmy? You can't afford that. Say, come to bar. No, you're getting the yard, you're not a paddy. The only gentleman, I don't need a paddy.
Come to ba no need ya
no need ya they need the body as a simple person ya
that's what Japade
didn't take us
na mama what Japade
I know ba yes Christ the Japade ni enti ni do ba ko do for them yes and because of the young kwa hu here no your life hu here no ye nam baby basa o ye not doing say on no ba fa kwate bia to no so no be wadi ni pa is the hu here
enti bia me ye me project bi ana kwasi o ha me sikasem na bia me o akwasi bia me ye project bi nti sese me srawo ma me ye project ni me wi a na ma pe kakra de
ma me musa o se o project na wo ye no ye wie so o ye de ma ma na so me ye no ba de wu a o ye de ma han
ene de waka masempa
ma me ka masempa tie ni ye nipa bi o ye sensible person na ni ko ne ma ho Yesu Kristo odo ye nti na ni ku ye ho no way hum brani hum town nti obewu ni nkuasie wo ni manipa adentia because of otoye this odo obi a otire no any sensible person be a otire bi a better so yase tiye wo ye ja pa wonim Nyankopon sam na usura ade no tinu kura wo makom di wo ma gasa wo da wo timi na adentia make us because of that the old de Mozankai the onkare ni Mozankai and the bad in the this one won for think get trade down and get the go project
and the son obi for GTV ejanum ye de to manim se wanya aka bi na akwa akoto na oba bi asetra nye yi ana se come de na be a responsible father make sure say akora no na sabe ni na ya because akora no da chi na open ni na na akora
and akora
akora na nya ne da chi dia ya fa ne se obehwe obepe japade nyina na abewi na abaye krofo a obe ne dan obepe wi ase japade nyina abewi na aba no wanya osa na so wanya yadie bia mo no yadie ne da bia ode na hospital okoba na papa kro na wo sa de sika ne se hwe no hospital enzo nya se wo me den sabi ye ma me ni papa no ye hu se your responsibilities including me the bar me wo se me hu se he is my responsibility.
That's it.
Now no se eka wan si di kura wa se akora ni di na me da kom. That is a responsible father.
Yes.
The papa bi a wo hwe me bia no. Ye ma wiase afefe de me koto phone, me koto car, me koye we ehia because a dan e bitime dwere but a bad day. Japade nyame even so wadi fi we ma yetim di akora ni di kase kofi na o free mo ne papa na ekono at least enam akora no nti e fro papa ndie ani nko prophet ade bebi na o ka ho
na me ka se me jo se ni pe tie mi na no pa ya mu tie mi ye ba because of e wiase e be nya agro de be wiase ba wo ba so utie di o amu ba no oblemu na me o se bra de no manya bi e ka o mu ko na ka wo de wo nya pa fai na de de pade na mere dia so en nabi na wa ko nabi o to ba na what is wa bre ada hwa ma mi ka de mi jo before so ba ni be ma be di nhyiamu a be ma no be sane no ama akoda ni abofra no etimi teki honhom fam etimi teki be 1 hour na 2 hours na de ni timi dane abre go ba no according to the no it will be 1 year before the repanded about any part. But you will say 9 months in spiritual. From Tierney, and it will be seen by Woba. Me walk back, me see diamond. I'm going to go say, I'm going to need your or nearly tear. Here, a black granny should never go on castle. A black of anyone to tell you never go on, I don't know. And was so poor being beer 10, said the new material. O man of a woman never go wanted. O panatia, a brave also, never go for the Timothy also. And the tear ye. Papa be him, or so for me, tear this one him, and yet in Tassam, Bible speaking in Indian answer. With a hint of phobia, yet I don't go for me. And this obeying him on tear 1 ye. I saw your papa was said and said, Oma, but you ye. And did Oma, the man was in far back, come here, Fra, no one said. Tis only by a 1 year. Now, tell my dear, but the Panisian. The enjoy Panisian is said, oh, my aunt say, every night, and go to talk, Amadium.
Oh, my aunt say, every night, uncle to Amanium. And would see Amanium.